Massachusetts is now the first state to require insurers to cover vaccines recommended by the state, even if the federal government stops to mandate them. The policy is a direct response to the decision by Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. to limit who is eligible for COVID vaccines. Joining us now, Democratic Governor Maura Healey of Massachusetts. Governor, thanks for being with us. So can you explain, because I think a lot of people watch, particularly that hearing last week with Bobby Kennedy Jr., became deeply concerned about not only where it is now, but where access to vaccines may be going from here. So how are you reassuring the people of the state of Massachusetts, at least?
Yeah, well, good morning, Willie. So in the midst of all the bad going on, Trump tanking our economy, sending, rogue agents out into the streets to scare our communities and people. On top of that, they're dismantling public health in this country. And RFK's in charge. He's a conspiracy theorist. He's got crazy ideas, and he's in charge. So what happens? First thing he does is take away vaccine access for Americans. So as governor, I've got a job to protect the public health and public safety of my residents. So I issued an order, basically a prescription for everybody in our great Bay State, that they can get a prescription for COVID, for flu, for RSV. And I also made sure that insurers were going to cover it and that pharmacies were going to distribute it. So now in Massachusetts, you're able to go and get a shot, get the vaccine that you need, that you want. And I'm also working with other states because, we all believe that we need to take care of our folks. And so we're basically working to establish a public health infrastructure that used to be owned by the federal government, but now has been completely dismantled. And now it's on the states to protect our people. So that's what I'm doing. Received really positive response, both from, people who got cancer, people who were immunocompromised, older folks who were so, desperate to get these shots, and also parents. We're just sent our kids to school because what RFK is doing, he's going to take away potentially the shots that we get for our kids for measles, mumps, rubella, chickenpox, right? Things that have been part of basic public health infrastructure for decades now, going away. State leaders like myself and states are stepping into the front to protect our people.
Well, I wanted to ask you about that, Governor. I wanted to ask you the state of the state, of specifically in Massachusetts, of healthcare innovations, of healthcare research, because after all, some of the world's best hospitals are in Massachusetts. Some of the greatest research universities in the field of health innovations are also in your state. People who have been waiting. I can tell you for 30 years, I've been waiting for, the next great advance in diabetes because I have a type 1 diabetic son. I know a lot of people who've been praying and hoping for advances in Parkinson's, cancer research. And, a few years ago when I would go around and I would talk to healthcare professionals, they would say, we're right at the curve. We're right around that curve. You're going to see medical advancements, the likes of which you've never seen before, that will change the way we live. And now it's cut off. I want to ask you, what can Massachusetts do? What can your research universities do to make sure we don't fall too far behind as a nation?
Joe, you were so right. I mean, Massachusetts, we're the global hub for life sciences. We have people in Massachusetts winning Nobel Prizes who, yes, are on the cusp of discovering the cure for your son's disease and the cure for ALS and Parkinson's and cancers and so much more. And of course, what did Trump do? He cut all the funding for that. He's cut funding for science and research and innovation in this country. And so what's happening is other countries, China, the Middle East, Europe, are on our campuses of our teaching hospitals, our research institutions, and are in universities and recruiting away America's talent. It makes no sense. So what I'm doing as governor, again, it gets back to protecting my people, protecting our economic infrastructure. And by the way, trying to not kill hope for the people out there who depend on these treatments and these cures and are looking for that hope. I'm proposing to fund research to the tune of $400 million. I want to leverage that with private dollars from other companies in the private industry to support the continued efforts in research and innovation, which, by the way, provide the cures and the treatments, also create a ton of jobs and also contribute to major economic growth. There is a reason, folks, right, that America has seen this exponential growth in GDP over the last 70 years. It's because the federal government used to be a partner in research, partner in science. That leads to entrepreneurship. It leads to startups. It leads to companies, whether you're talking in the defense industry or in life sciences and biotech. And it's amazing to me that the Trump administration doesn't get that. They're making us less healthy, less safe, and giving away intellectual assets to China and other countries. It does not make sense, but we're standing up in Massachusetts and saying, hey, to the world, you're a researcher, you're an entrepreneur, you want to study, you're working on a great cure, come to Massachusetts. We're going to fund you, we're going to support you, we value you and what you mean, not just to America, but to the world.
Governor Healey, you seem very good at taking the temperature of the people of your state. You were Attorney General and now you're Governor. You have a couple of cities with large Hispanic populations, and I'm wondering what your reaction was to yesterday's Supreme Court ruling that literally changed the definition of probable cause.
Mike, really, really disappointing. And, you know, in terms of the temperature of what's happening, and remember, I come to this, I'm a former prosecutor, an AG. I put bad guys away, okay, including those who were, you know, trafficking drugs and human beings and the like. But here's what's really going on. You know, with these ICE efforts, now they're deployed here in Boston. This is all part of the theater of the Trump administration to distract from the lousy job they're doing on the economy. Can you imagine? So this is a true story. Sunday, this past Sunday, at Boston College, just outside of St. Ignatius Church on the campus there, ICE agents parked during a Spanish mass. Why the hell are they there? They're there to intimidate, right? They're there to sow fear. They're there to scare people. In the same way, the Trump administration is about scaring corporations and universities and law firms. I'm proud of the people that are speaking up, that are, you know, standing up. But this isn't right. It's not normal. And by the way, it undermines public safety, as you all have talked about in the past. It's gone too far. It's not about public safety.
I want to underline what you just said. By the way, that was a church that Mika's parents were married at, St. Ignatius by Boston College. Really? I want to underline what you just said, because we heard the senator from California tell us that priests are now telling Hispanics not to come to church services on Sunday out of fear, that they can just stream it at home, which, of course, is horrifying. That's where we are as a country. Could you please give us a little more information about ICE agents surrounding St. Ignatius Church right off the Boston College campus to try to intimidate people that are going to church on Sunday morning to worship the gospel of Jesus Christ?
Yeah. You know, and as a Catholic, I think it's just so antithetical to everything that I was raised to believe. I don't know much, Joe. I do know that they were parked on a public way. They weren't literally on the campus, but they were parked outside the church during the Spanish Mass. And, you know, this is the kind of thing that we have seen around our state. And, you know, I was all for going after the bad guys, right? Go after the violent offenders. In fact, it would be nice if you worked with law enforcement or state leaders like myself on identifying those folks. But, you know, that's not what this is about. And that's why you see nannies and healthcare aides and childcare providers and construction workers and landscapers. These are the people being picked up. And, you know, imagine you're at home right now. What do? Right? Do you send your kid to school? Do you go to the grocery store? Do you go to the doctors? Because people are being picked up and targeted based on the color of their skin. Again, you know, I am all for going after and targeting the bad guys, okay? Yeah. Always will be. Public safety is a priority. That's not what this is about. And by the way, can we just talk about the fact that 1.2 million people have been dropped from employment roles, right, in this country? just in the last couple months. This is going to have a real effect, compounding the effect of tariffs and the tax cuts and the giveaways to the billionaires on the backs of working Americans. And people are hurting. And the cruelty and just it doesn't make any sense, so much of what we're seeing in terms of tactics by the Trump administration. But I thought that was an example, Joe, of something, it's real. It's happening. It's happening right now in our great city of Boston.
Jeez.
Yes, it is. Democratic governor
in Massachusetts.
In the entire state. Democratic Governor Maura Healey of Massachusetts, thank you for everything you're doing and for using your voice and speaking out. We appreciate it. Thanks for coming on the show this morning.